Hello fashion lovers, welcome back to my channel. This is Annie's Kiddies, and in today's video I want to share with you how you can turn your AI images into video. And in my previous video I actually showed you how you can showcase your clothing using AI kiddies models, and today we are going to turn those images into video. So we are going to make use of two AI tools, and you can as well choose to use any one of these. This is because one is actually very expensive and the other one is less expensive, and it also has a free version for people to actually try. So the number one AI tools that we are going to be using in this video is Grok AI. We all know Grok AI is very expensive, but if you can afford the monthly subscription, fine. But if you cannot and you want another tool that will allow you to create your video, but it is actually limited, this means that you can actually create up to 5 videos in a day, and within 24 hours you can try again. And the AI tools that we are going to use is Google Flow. So if you cannot afford Grok AI, you can actually try Google Flow. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first AI tool that we are going to be using is Grok AI. So after you must have subscribed to Grok, you open it up like this. Then it will take you to this interface, and the next thing for you to do is to bring up your AI image. So you are going to click on this plus sign. It will take you to this place. Then you click on all photos and it will take you to your gallery. So I'm going to use the previous image that we generated, the previous image. So I'm going to bring it up like this. Then anything that you want your model to do, like to do in the video, you are going to prompt it. So as for me, I want it to dance like slowly while also showcasing the outfits. So I'm going to paste my prompts. So my prompt says that this girl models the dress playfully and dance slowly while smiling at the camera. So I also told Grok that it should keep her face, hairstyle and outfit unchanged, smooth natural movement and gentle fabric motion. So I'm going to paste this prompt on my description box in case if you are interested to use this prompt. After you must have pasted your prompts, or after you must have given Grok your prompt, the next thing is for you to turn this image into video. So you are going to click on this video section. Now you are going to choose how many seconds do you want your video to play. Is it 6 seconds, 10 seconds or 15 seconds? And the quality, is it 480 or 720? 720 is of higher quality, so I'm using 720. So I'll also be using 10 seconds for the video, and after that you are going to generate your video by clicking on this arrow up. So have you noticed that your image has actually turned to video? She just happily showcasing the outfit, like dancing in a very slow motion. So if anything you want to change, like if you actually want her to walk, you can actually prompt it. So that is it for this particular video. So the next prompt that I'm going to give is I actually want her to talk. So if you click on this arrow sign, it will actually download the video. So the next prompt is to make our model to talk. You notice that the other one, she was just modeling these outfits, like she was not actually talking. So this particular prompt, I'm going to make her to talk. So I'm going to delete this one because I had already saved it in my phone. So I'll delete it, and the image is already here. So I'll just paste my prompts. So this particular prompt, I'm going to drop it at the description box of this video. So in case if you are interested, you can actually copy it and use. So the prompt says that this girl model confidently. She smiles, gently touches and showcases her outfit while speaking naturally. So I told Grok to keep her face, body, hairstyle and outfit exactly unchanged. Then smooth movement and natural gesture, photorealistic fashion video. So I got to tell Grok that she speak in Nigerian accents. You have to be specific, because if you are not specific, she might actually use any kind of accents. So at the end I said, the girl says, this is where the girl is going to talk. The girl says, "Hi everyone, Take a look at this beautiful outfit from Annie's Kiddies. I absolutely love the design and how elegant it looked. Then she smiles. So at the end I said do not rush west. So I do not want Grok to actually rush it. So I'll switch to video. I'm still maintaining the same quality and resolution. So after that, I'll click on this arrow up and generate the video. So you allow it to load till 100%.
Hi everyone, take a look at this beautiful outfit from Annie's Kiddies. I absolutely love the design and how elegant it looks.
So you notice that she actually talked in this video. So this is how you are going to make your video, your model to talk using these prompts. So as you can see, she speaks very nice as a child, and her accent is very smooth as a Nigerian child. So if you love this, you are going to click on this arrow down to actually save the video. So I have actually saved the video. So we are going to use Google Flow AI to turn our image to video. So you are going to click on your Chrome browser. Then you search for Google Flow. Okay, you click on, then this first option here, you click on it that has a pink shading background. You are going to click on it. So if you are using Google Flow for the first time, you are going to sign up. As for me, I'm going to sign in because I have been using it. So after signing in, it is going to take you to this interface. So as I told you earlier on, that you always have a daily bonus, so you can actually create few videos for a day. So now you click on this new project. You check out this video section like this place. A lot of sections here. They're asking you if you want to generate video or image and the size, the aspect ratio. You want it in 9.16, that is for Reels, or you want it in 16.9, that is the YouTube size. They're asking you your aspect ratio and how many second video do you want. If you want 8 seconds, let me just choose 10. And this place that is written x1, x2, x3, x4, they are asking how many of this video do you want. So if I click x2, it means that video that is going to be generated will be ×2. So I do not want it to be multiple, so it will still be on x1. So after that, I am going to click on this plus sign. So after clicking on the plus sign, you see this arrow that is going up here. This is where you are going to bring in your image from your gallery, photo gallery. So I click on it. Then I'm going to use, okay, let me use that other image that we generated from Gemini. So I brought up the image that we generated previously. So I will now tap on this photo. So have you seen this is the photo that we generated in our previous video. So if you haven't watched the video, the link is at the end of this video, so do well to watch the video on how we generated this. So this is the image, and what we are going to do is to paste your prompts, or you can type what you want the image to do. So I'm just going to paste my prompt so that it's going to be faster. Okay, in this particular video, I want the girl to walk. You know, the one that we have been making on Grok, she was not working. So I said she walked confidently towards the camera with a gracefully runway walk, smiling naturally, gentle raise one hand for a stylish wave while maintaining eye contact, smooth elegant body movement, realistic fabric flow. So let's see. I'm going to still paste this prompt on my description box to this video, so you check it out. Then after that, the next thing for you to do is to click on this arrow with white background. This is to generate the video. So you click on it and allow it to load. So now the video has finished loading, so you are going to play to see what Flow AI has for us. So if you have a different option, you can actually give to Flow AI, and after that you click on that arrow down to download it and choose the quality. So we are still in Flow AI, and I want to paste this prompt that I actually use in Grok. So this particular prompt, I want her to talk. So it's the same prompt that we used previously. So she's going to say, "Hi everyone, take a look at this dress, this beautiful outfit from Anis Kiddies. I absolutely love the design and how elegant it looks." So she's going to say this, and I'll click on this arrow to generate the video. So if you watch this video till this point, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell to be notified whenever we post new video. So our video is done. We are going to open it up to see what it has for us.
Hi everyone, take a look at this beautiful outfit from Anis Kiddies. I absolutely love the design and how elegant it looks.
So this is it from Google Flow. So if you actually like this, you can save it. So I'm going to save it. It's going to be in my gallery, so you can actually use it to post on a social media to showcase your design. So that is how you can use it. You can as well try this, or you use Grok. So this is how you can actually use any of these AI tools to turn your image to video. So now that you know how to turn your AI images to videos, in my next video I'm going to share with you how you can generate multiple models in a single image and how you can change any color of their outfits. So if this is what interests you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. So see you in my next video. Bye.